It's been said that it takes a village to raise a child, but do members of the village owe a legal duty to protect that child if the child is trespassing? Near the end of the 19th century, the New Hampshire Supreme Court considered the nature of such a duty in Buch versus Amory Manufacturing. In an age when child labor was largely unregulated, the 13-year-old brother of Carl Buch worked in the Amory mill and brought 8-year-old Carl to the mill to learn the job. Fulton, the overseer, saw Carl working with the other boys and ordered Carl to leave. But Carl didn't understand English, so he didn't understand the command and didn't leave. About 2 hours later, Carl's hand got caught in the gears of a machine and was severely injured. Carl sued Amory for negligence. The jury found for Carl, and Amory appealed to the New Hampshire Supreme Court.